Hi guys, today we'll design this logo for gaming. Very easy and simple. Okay, like this. Get started and design this in PixelLab. Okay, very easy. Okay, get started. Delete this too. Okay, first of all, go to create a shape. This one. Okay, slide this. Okay. Relative, center this. Okay, copy this, scale, center this, color this black. Okay, again center like this, again copy this, color like yellow. Okay, scale this, center. Okay, another copy, sorry, edit mode, copy this color like this, okay, scale this and slightly like this. Okay, center this, center. Okay, okay, and copy again this color black, slightly scale this. Okay, move to center like this. Okay, and go to sorry, import a logo, link in the description. Okay, scale this like this. Okay, like this. Okay, perfect. And again create a text, type your logo name. Okay, like this. Okay, go to fonts. Okay, fonts style, link in the description. My fonts. Okay, select this. Okay, center this like this. Okay, go to center this. Okay, go to the text property, stroke black color slightly. Okay, and again go to shadow on this and enable this, color this white. Okay, and opacity is 100, like this. Okay, again go to layers, select all, merge all this layer. Okay, merge. Okay, perfect. Center this, copy this, sorry, scale this large like this. Okay, to layer, move this down, go to this layer, opacity like this. Okay guys, subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.